All right, we got Mom going. Mom's first time trying it. Come on. That's beautiful. So we made 3 passes. We just made 3 passes, and now we gotta make some more. We're making step boards for our mobile home park steps. We're gonna cut some 12 or 14 inch wide runners. But we just went and salvaged this log. A tree fell down, I don't know, 6 months ago. Still kind of wet inside, but hey, free 99 lumber minus gas, oil, and expenses. So yeah, rolling pretty good. We just got it fired up for the first time today. This is our test log, our very first log, and it's come out perfect. I just ripped those 1 1/8 inch thick, and it's gonna be strong as hell. So nice lumber, folks. All right, well, gotta get off of here. See ya.